everyone. Your child doesn't want to go outside while you have a doctor's appointment or need to go to kindergarten. He is still refusing to obey, and that's it. Sounds familiar, isn't it? Treasure Hunt. Our family version of this game will help you to deal with this problem. Rules are simple. A child is given clues, and his task is to find hidden treasure following these clues. For this game, you need 2 smartphones, for you and for your child. Usually, a day before the game, I go all the way and take photos of noticeable objects like buildings, benches, trees, banners, and other objects that your child can see in his everyday life. The first photo contains a small part of the object. The second one, the whole object. We'll need about 10 such sets. Well, everything is ready. The game starts. Send your child the first photo with a part of the object. His task is to find it, take a picture of the whole object, and send it to you. If it is correct, you send him the next one. If not, you send him the photo of the whole. So, step by step, your child gets to the place where you hid the treasure. A toy, a book, or sweets, for example. Hooray! She has done it! That walk was fun! I love this game, or better to say quest, for its flexibility. We played it when my daughter was 4 and play it now when she is 7. We play it both at home and outdoors. I'm sure it's possible to adapt this game for the 2-3-year-olds also. For example, use less photos or show the picture of the whole object. By the way, you can play it with several kids, for example at a birthday party like a competition. The game needs some preparation, so you can't play it anytime. It's the only con, I think. So, I gave it 9 out of 10.